Okay, hello and welcome to another episode of Soul Science. Today we're going to be doing a trick with sound, and so in order to do that we need to know a couple of things about sound. So sound is a vibration that travels through the air in waves. So just a quick bit of actual science. We draw a wave on here. It is often drawn with a line going straight through the middle. The few things you need to know is from this point to this point, that's what's called the wavelength. From this point to this middle line, that is what's called the amplitude. Any top point is called a crest, and any bottom point is called a trough. The frequency of a wave is how many wavelengths go by in a second. So, with sound, if you change the frequency, it normally changes the pitch. So if it's a higher frequency, it's a higher pitch. So a low frequency is like whoa, it's a lower pitch, lower frequency. A high pitch, high frequency is hello. So now we've got the factual science bit out of the way. By the way, this diagram will be labelled on the website. Now we've got the factual bit out of the way. Here's a little fun trick you can try to show sound as a vibration. What you're going to need is some water. It doesn't have to be in a scientific beaker, it just looks cooler, I think. So some water and a turkey baster, which is basically a giant pipette, but you need it this big, okay? So we need to take some water up in it, so squeeze it. No, need a bit more. We've got to make sure there's enough. So when you squeeze, it'll go from the bottom to the top, like that, okay? So now what you've got to do is across the top of it, just put your lip right near it and blow. And squeeze as you do it, and you'll notice the pitch changes, which is changing the frequency. So how many waves are going past in a second, how quickly it's moving, how quickly it's vibrating. You've got to be careful not to squeeze it too much, if not you get a water spray look. And then you end up getting a wet lip. This is also how those whistles you can buy with the slidey bit, that's also how they work. You're changing the volume here, so you're changing how much vibration can happen and things like that. Changing physicsy, wavy stuff. It will all be written up on the website. But the point is you can have a bit of fun with the turkey baster. Whilst your parent/carer isn't using it to baste the turkey, you can go and nick it and put some water in it and... With Halloween month-ish and a bit away, you can practice this. It makes a spooky sort of ghost sound if you want to look at it that way. So yeah, that's going to say, that's okay. So there's the little science trick for today. There's a bit about waves. Hopefully you've learned something and also going to have a bit of fun, but remember, don't try it at home, try it at a friend's home. Remember to check out our website, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Google+, all of the different social medias. We're on nearly everyone. And our website, where there will be further information on these sort of things for more educational purposes. So thanks for watching and see you next time.